In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to link a CAD file into Revit using the Link CAD tool. Linking a CAD file is a great way to bring external drawings into your Revit project for coordination without permanently baking them into your model. This keeps your Revit file lighter and lets you update the CAD reference later if the source file changes. Start in Revit on the view where you want the link to appear, like a floor plan or a site plan. Then head to the Insert tab. This is the home for external file tools in Revit, and it's where you'll find everything you need to connect other formats to your project. Click Link CAD. This opens your file browser so you can select the CAD file you want to reference. Revit supports common formats such as DWG, DXF, DGN, and SAT. Navigate to the folder that contains your file and click it once to select it. Before you open it, take a moment to set the import options so the link comes in exactly how you expect. For colors, you can choose Preserve to keep the original CAD colors or Black and White for a cleaner, more readable look. Black and white is often easier on printed sheets and helps reduce visual clutter. For layers, choose All to bring everything in, Visible to bring in only layers that are on in the CAD file, or Specify if you want to handpick which layers to include. Specify is especially helpful when you only need key layers like walls, grids, or property lines. For import units, Auto Detect usually works well because Revit reads the file's unit settings. If the result comes in unexpectedly tiny or huge, that's a sign the units didn't match, and you can reopen the link with the correct unit selected. For positioning, Auto Center to center is a good general option when you don't have a shared origin. If both teams coordinated on the same origin, choose Auto, origin to snap the files together accurately. Once those options look right, click Open. Revit will place the CAD file into your active view as a link. You can select it to move, rotate, or pin it in place to avoid accidental shifts. If the line work looks too busy or the colors are distracting, try switching to black and white next time or limiting the layers you bring in. And remember, because it's linked, you can keep your project aligned with updates to the source CAD without rebuilding anything in Revit. That's all it takes to link a CAD file cleanly and confidently into your Revit model.